Hey, I thought I'd just do a little recording and show this updated project that I've been working on for my daughter. And so what I want to show you is it's a single part, but it has three separate bodies. So we've got the bottom freezing peg and the handle. And so what I want to do is save each of those off. So in order to do that easily, I just hide the other two components. I say file and save as, and we're going to save out the peg. So this is the 3 peg, and it's a step. And that should be good. And then we'll just go and import it right away just to make sure that everything's happy. Peg. Good. Sort it. Why did that not work? There. And then we want the bottom. Right? I want that. Should print. Yeah, this should be good. No big deal. And then lastly, we'll switch back. We're gonna hide this guy and show top. Save as. This time we'll do STL first. And this is V3 handle. Save it. Jump over, import. Handle. Got it. Yeah. All right. And